So this is the third video for lesson 6.5, and we're going to start here on example 10. And the first thing I want you to do is to make this change in your notes. This first example in here was a little too complicated for a first example. So change that to just natural log of x over y. And then we'll do the original problem last. So here we are expanding, which means we're going to start with a single log. So we're starting with what our answers were on the previous examples, and we're going to expand it into multiple logs. So we're going to have, one, 2 or 3 logs added or subtracted together. So division, remember, goes with subtraction. So if I'm expanding this into 2 logs, it's going to be natural log of x minus natural log of y. So kind of the opposite of what we did in the previous examples. So division becomes subtraction. Multiplication is going to become addition, because when you think about this, this is log 3 of 4 multiplied by x. So we're going to write it into multiple logs, log 3's, log 3 of 4 plus log 3 of x. So again, expanding it out into multiple logs. This one, I see multiplication there because I have 2 times x to the 5th, but I also see the exponent. So that's the power property. So we're going to do this one in 2 steps. The first step you want to do is to separate the multiplication. So it's going to become natural log of 2 plus natural log of x squared. Now, take care of these exponents next. Don't take care of them first. So this exponent, remember, is going to hop down into the front here. So the natural log of 2, we're just going to copy, and then this is going to turn into 5 times the natural log of x. Again, think going backwards from the previous examples. Okay, here's that first one that we originally had. So this has got everything happening. It's got division, it's got multiplication, and it's got the power property there. So the power property, multiplication, and then the fraction is division. So we're going to take care of the division first because that's kind of the easiest to see. So all I'm going to do is subtract what is divided. So 5x to the 7th is divided by y. I'm going to turn that in natural log of 5x to the 7th minus natural log of y. Now this one I have multiplication happening, so I'm going to separate this into natural log of 5 plus natural log of x to the 7th. So natural log of 5 plus natural log of x to the 7th. That was all this, and then I still had natural log of y. So you can see this one has expanded out into 3 natural logs. Last step, take this 7 and move it down in front. So the final answer for this is going to be natural log of 7. Natural log of x plus 7 times the natural log of x minus the natural log of y. So this is where my division expanded out to be subtraction. The addition was my multiplication expanded out, and the power is right there, which became a constant multiplied by the log. All right, now back here on yours, again, let me have you, I'm just going to recommend do this one last. So maybe do this one, then this one, then this one. So try those. Pause the video and then come back and see how you did. So this one would be log 5 of 6 plus log 5 of x. This one would be log 3 of 6 plus 2 log 3 of x. There's my x squared, there's my 6. So this one's going to be 3. So maybe I'll show the steps for this one. Natural log of 3x to the 5th minus natural log of y. So that takes care of my division. Now my multiplication, natural log of 3 plus natural log of x to the 5th, because I had 3 times x to the 5th. So that expands out into adding the two logs. Now last step, this exponent needs to come down in front. So the final answer for this one is going to be natural log of 3 plus 5 times the natural log of x plus, natural log of y. So that's the answer for A. Okay, that's it.